In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a website fast with UX kits in Figma. Start by opening Figma and heading to the Community section. In the search bar, type Website UX Kit. You'll see a range of options created by designers and teams. Look for kits that feel comprehensive for your needs things, like multiple page layouts, headers and footers, buttons, forms, and cards. Check the preview images and description to confirm it includes the building blocks you plan to use. And that it's regularly updated. Once you've found a good fit, click Open in Figma on the resource page. This duplicates the file into your drafts so you can work from your own copy without affecting the original. With the kit in your drafts, create your canvas. Press F to activate the frame tool, then choose a desktop preset from the right sidebar. This gives you a standard web width to design against and ensures responsive decisions are easier later. Think of this frame as your page boundary. Everything you place should respect it for a clean production, friendly layout. Next, enable layout grids on that frame. Apply a 12-column grid to start. Columns and gutters act like rails for your content, helping every element from the kit click into place. If your kit mentions recommended margins or gutter sizes, match those so spacing feels intentional. As you drag elements around, watch how they align to columns. This alone can elevate your design from messy to polished. Now, use the Assets panel. Instead of copying and pasting from the original kit file, open the Assets tab in your project to find the kit's components headers, footers, buttons, and more. Drag components directly onto your frame. They come with built-in constraints and hover states, so they'll behave predictably. Place a header at the top, drop in hero sections or content blocks, and finish the page with a footer, all while snapping to your grid. Finally, make it yours with global styles. In the right sidebar, update the kit's color and typography styles. Change the primary color once, and every button, icon accent, and link that references it will update instantly. Adjust your font styles, headings, subheads, body to match your brand. Keep an eye on contrast and size, so text remains readable, and avoid detaching components, so they continue to inherit these updates. And that's it. Thanks for watching.